Okay, let's move on to our sentence templates for today. Template number 6. All get what they want. They do not always like it, by C.S. Lewis from The Magician's Nephew. What's the purpose of this kind of sentence? If you notice, there is this semicolon right in the middle here, and that's the big kicker of this kind of sentence is you have two phrases, two independent clauses linked with a semicolon. And in a sense, each of these could be its own sentence. We could have stuck a period here and we could have capitalized the T and it could have said, all get what they want. They do not always like it. But what does the semicolon do? It links the two phrases together very closely. If there was a period in the middle, there would be two separate ideas. But because of the semicolon, one moves directly into the next, and there is a join. They're part of this, two parts of the same whole. So let's compare. I walked up to the store. The door was locked. And here you can see the effect if there are two separate sentences. But if I change to the semicolon here, I walked up to the store. The door was locked. There's a kind of an expectation that's created with the semicolon. I expect there to be something else completing this idea. And so it creates more of a strong link between the two things. Here, I walked up to the store and it just so happened that the door was locked. There are two separate things, but I walked up to the store and you have this expectation. Oh, we're let down. The door was locked. Here are some example imitations. Everyone tries to be successful. Few actually are. And so you can see the emphasis on tries. If there was a period here, there wouldn't be that same emphasis. Everyone tries to be successful. That's how it would read with a period. But with the semicolon, everyone tries to be successful, and you expect the 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 turn on the other end. Few actually are. Clouds rolled over the edge of the hills, rain fell. And here it's not the expectation of the opposite result, but it's the expectation of the finish. What's the finish of clouds rolling over? The rain falls, and the semicolon links those together. So give it a try this week. Write 5 sentence imitations of our template number 6. All get what they want. Use your 5 vocab words below. The word can fall in any part of the sentence. And go for it. Create these linkages of ideas.